Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hey, Paula Kilrain.
6 months. I was stationed in Hawaii. 6 months we would go to, the Philippines. Right. Yeah, and I found out when I first arrived at American, there were specific functions that there weren't women in, right? When I went up to the closet and they were handing my uniform, and it was like, here's your men's shirt, here's your men's pants, and here's your men's tie. And back in the 80s, the ties went down to your knees. I'm like, really? And they go, yeah. Yeah, you wear the tie. So I went home and I cut it up. And I made it thin, and I made it into like the little women things in the service, and I made it. So I walk in the next day, oh my God, he said, that's great. He said, good for you.
When I finished my tour, I decided to get my education and was ready for the next step. When I looked for a job, I searched for engineering analyst in Hampton, because I'm from Hampton, and a job popped up that was, my entire life was the job requirements. But it was for a manufacturing plant, and I was like, well, I never really considered manufacturing. Everything that I learned in the Navy, it was really a platform for me to have the ambition to go into the career path that I am currently.
I love the tangibility of making things and quality things. The whole cycle of improvement in the military, in my mind, was driven by the people doing the work. The whole cycle of improvement on the manufacturing floor is driven by people doing the manufacturing. That was super transferable for me.
Having a company, a wealth of companies that recognize that we're here to help. We want the best, the best for our employees, because they recognize that there's so much talent.
It's a win-win.
Yeah.
Is everybody, we piling in? We filling up this?
Yeah.
We are in front of the World War II Memorial here in Washington, D.C.
Observing the history and really getting to know some other women manufacturers that happen to also be vets.
It's always great talking to other veterans, especially other women veterans.
A sense of connection and feeling like there's a community there that I didn't realize I belonged to.
I noticed there was a particular tile down here that showed Rosie the Riveters. And for a female mechanic, that to me is just a really start of women coming out of the home and into the workforce and into manufacturing, and that to see them recognized on that tile is pretty cool.
I'm Anna Gamache.
I'm Stacy Brown.
I'm Paula Kilrain.
And I'm a Marine Corps veteran.
I'm a Navy veteran.
I'm a Navy veteran.
And I'm a manufacturer.
And I'm a manufacturer.
I am a manufacturer.